Hey, this is Susan with Voices for Learning, helping you grow your voiceover business. Thank you so much for watching this video, which is a Fiverr video. Happy Fiverr Friday. I'm going to talk to you about how to handle difficult clients. This seems to be the top complaint about Fiverr for all of us voiceover sellers and for sellers in particular. And I want to give you kind of like just a perspective on how to handle that. It should come as no surprise that when you step out on your own and you have your own business, you're going to have difficult clients. You're going to have to deal with difficult situations. But how you handle these difficult situations and these difficult clients will determine how much money you make in your business, in voiceovers, or whatever business you have, especially on Fiverr. So here is what I want to tell you. First of all, just remember, Fiverr is a worldwide platform. And just because you speak English doesn't mean that your clients will speak English. Most of them are English language learners. They are in countries where there's not even, the Western alphabet, the whatever, American English, whatever alphabet. It's completely different characters. It's completely different sounds. And English is really hard. If you don't believe me, then do some English language learning voiceovers and you'll realize, oh my gosh, this is a terribly difficult, complicated language. So sometimes things come out wrong in translation and it's really nobody's fault. So I want to kind of just throw that out to you that maybe instead of these people being difficult, maybe they just are trying to communicate and they're not doing, an adequate job. So what I want to do is show you a conversation that I had with a client that I've had for almost a year now, who, by the way, I've almost made like $10,000 off of, who I could have written off as difficult. But instead, I turned it around and made some serious money off of some really easy jobs. So here we go. Okay, so here I am in Fiverr, and the very first piece of information that this person gave me was, you can read it with me. Hi, Susan. We have a website for math teachers in Israel and are looking to create an English version. For this, we have to create about 100 tutorials. Here's a sample. Could you help me with a professional voiceover? I created the tutorial on the fly, so I don't have the script written down. Could you do the voiceover based on the original video? Can you give me the price per minute of video? Okay, so first of all, on Fiverr, we voiceovers, voice actors, we work off of the per word rather than the per minute. So I need to go ahead and explain that to this client that look, this is just how I work. I want to work with you. 100 tutorials. Are you kidding me? This is some really great, work that I don't have to audition for, that I'm going to get paid for. So I just need to spell out to him, look, no, if I'm going to do these tutorials, you have to give me a script. And so the way that I responded was, hi. So I want to make sure I understand. And let me just repeat that because that's a really good phrase to use with people who have, where their English is not their first language. I just want to make sure I understand. Help me understand. You need me to create the videos, but with no script for all the videos. So again, it's not like, what are you crazy? Are you stupid? It's just, hey, just help me understand. This is what I'm hearing. Now, this is kind of like, how to make friends and influence people 101. Help me understand. I really want to help you. Help me understand. And then he wrote back, correct. The videos do not currently have written scripts, just the existing voice that I am looking to replace. And so then here is my opportunity to explain, okay, here's how my business works. Number one, I need a script. Number one, I want to work with you. Number two, I'm going to need a script. If we do it your way, it's going to cost this much. It's going to be really expensive because you're going to make me write the script. However, if you'll do it a different way, it'll be cheaper and we will have a much better experience. So I just explained to him, okay, thanks, I can do this, number one, but it's going to cost about $200 per video. And the reason it's so expensive is because I don't know the software. I'll have to learn it, and there will be a lot of editing that goes into this. Alternatively, you can send me a script. I just charge $20 for the first 100 words and then $20 for the next 200 words. And for just $25 extra, I can even sync the voiceover to the video so it matches up perfectly. And I will send you the video version, and I can also put in music. The script just allows me to quickly record and quickly edit. Without the script, it's a really huge project. So in other words, if you will write the script, you will save yourself a lot of money. And plus, I hate writing scripts. I hate having to dictate and figure all that stuff out. It will save me time. We can get through this a whole lot quicker. So suffice to say, almost a year later, almost $10,000 later, I've worked with these guys. It's been a great relationship. But I didn't off the bat just assume that these guys wanted to, screw me over and, get something done for really cheap. I, quote unquote, trained them. And that's what you have to do. You have to train your clients to let them know this is how you work. You need X, you need Y, you need Z. For me, that is a script and instructions. Those are the two things that I need. If you can't give me a script and you can't give me instructions, I can't do the work. And I'm really, really nice about it. But I just let them know, hey, I'm just really sorry. These are the things that I absolutely 100% need. I'm not going to write a script for you. But handling difficult clients, the idea is that maybe they're really not difficult. Maybe what you need to do is change your vocabulary and just say, hey, I really don't understand. Help me understand. And if they really are difficult, like if, they're sending you inappropriate, messages or whatever, you can block them. Don't even talk about it. Just block them. I'm going to be honest, I've blocked a number of clients on Fiverr just because I was like, I'm done with you. I don't have time for you. I'm not mad at you. I don't have time for any of this. So if you'll treat it like that from the perspective of, I want to understand, I want to work for you, I want to help you, help me understand, you will make a lot of money doing this. And this work that I've done for this particular client is easy. It is so easy. I don't even really have to prepare for it at this point. I get the script and I knock it out in like 5 minutes. Pretty nice, pretty nice job. That's where you want to get. You want to get to that point too. So it is all about consistency. Stay consistent with what you're doing. You can do this. I promise you. You can make money doing voiceovers. And thank you so much for watching to the end. If you are looking for a community of other voice actors who have the perspective of, positivity, being helpful, serving others, take a look in the description. There's a really good Facebook group that I highly recommend, A VO's Journey. Join that Facebook group. We can't do it alone, guys. You got to have a group of people who will keep you motivated, who will keep you positive, and who will give you really, really great advice for making money. Because I just had to buy a new washing machine, and let me tell you, it was really nice to just be able to be like, okay, $700 for a new washing machine. It's okay, instead of stressing out about how am I going to pay for a new washing machine right before Christmas. So it's a much better place to be. And that's what this is about, serving clients and having them reward you with money. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great week. Bye.